Hello, my wonderful class. Today the poem is called Hope is the Thing with Feathers. So let me read it aloud and then we can kind of talk about what it's about. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I've heard it in the chillest land, and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crab of me. All right, friends, so I want to quick say a word that you may not know. Perch. That perches in the soul. So when you're thinking of a bird and it's perched somewhere, it means it's like sitting and it's staying there. So if it's perched in your soul, that means that it's in your soul. It's inside of you. So that's one word that definitely could have been a little bit tricky. I know that this poem is a little bit more difficult, and actually it's 7th grade level. So I just want you to try your best. Maybe listen to me read it aloud again. You read it aloud too, and just try your best with those comprehension questions. I thought this poem, was good right now. First of all, because there are so many birds out right now, aren't there? Some spring poems. All right. Bye.